To create or set up orders ready for exporting, the first thing you need to do is select the actual export from the supplier window. So we're going to go into supplier, we're going to choose the supplier itself, and we're going to choose the export folder. So if we click this export, it will create an export file in a format that's based on the different suppliers. You can choose that supplier, and you can also indicate an export path. And what this does is allows you to put it into a certain folder. So if that was a Dropbox folder, Google Drive folder, or whatever it happens to be, wherever you want to put this, by default you can put it there. Now you can change that location on the export of a file, but this is the default. So we'll save that, we'll close this, and that now is set up to export. Now to actually create and export your orders, you're going to click into the order window, you're going to click new, and you're going to create your orders. So in the case of what we just did there, we used Cisco, you're going to go through and you're going to make your order. So you're choosing the items you want to order, or of course you can forecast or use the order reminder for min-maxes to create your order, and you can go through and now you can order what you need to order. Now, if you wanted to add, look in the system to see, if you right click on this, you can actually see what stock you have in inventory. So it's a handy little tool if you wanted to do a quick spot check to say, okay, what does the program think I have in inventory? So now, once you're satisfied, you can click create, and you're creating your order. You click save, and that order is now on your list. Now you can print that order out and actually email it or fax it or just hand it to the supplier. You can print a docket for receiving, but from an export perspective, you're going to click export orders. It's going to go to the folder that I specified and give you the actual file name of that particular export. Now, if it's a commissary export, obviously it would say CSV after here. So what you do is you click save, and that file is now created in whatever location you want it. Now, if it was that you wanted to move it somewhere else, you can just simply click on this button and you can actually put it somewhere else. And like I said, if you're using a Google Drive or a Dropbox folder, you can use those, but if you wanted to not save it there, you can choose somewhere else for this particular thing. Now, once that comes in, so you've sent that to commissary, you've sent it to Cisco, whoever you're sending the order to, it's gone, and they have now sent you back the stock. So you get the stock, you have a printed invoice in your hand. Now you would go to receive that into your inventory. So you're going to click on the invoice window, you're going to click bill. Now instead of filling all this in, you're just going to go receive order. There's my Cisco order or my commissary order, whoever I happen to have ordered from. Click on this, and there is my items that I ordered. And now, looking at my invoice, I would confirm that I got 2 cases, and it was, the price changed to $35. It will automatically override the price. And this now becomes your normal procedure for entering an invoice. And that's how you will export orders and then receive into the invoice window.